Every 5 years, an Assembly election is held, and the people of Wales decide who should represent them at the National Assembly for Wales here in the Senedd. The 60 Assembly members who are elected are responsible for many things that affect day-to-day life in Wales, like health, education, housing, transport, the environment, and all these other things. Every person in Wales is represented by 5 Assembly members, one for the constituency, your local area, and another 4 Assembly members that represent your region. The first thing the new Assembly does after its election is choose a presiding officer to chair meetings of all 60 Assembly members, what we call plenary. The political party with the most seats will usually form a government, although parties can also work together to form a coalition. The Welsh Government is made up of the First Minister of Wales and up to 12 other Assembly members who serve as Cabinet Secretaries and Ministers. The Welsh Government is responsible for deciding how to spend around £16 billion a year on things like roads, hospitals and schools. It also makes policies and decisions about how services are delivered in Wales and proposes new laws. So what about the other Assembly members? Well, their job is to make sure the Welsh Government's decisions are in the best interests of Wales and its people. They consider and vote on whether to pass laws, ask questions and make suggestions about government policies, spending and Welsh taxes, and represent the interests of local people in their constituency or region. They do all this by questioning the First Minister and ministers during meetings of all 60 Assembly members, or by forming Assembly committees to hold inquiries or consider ideas for new laws. Most laws are suggested by the Welsh Government, but some also come from other Assembly members. People can see these decisions being debated and laws being made by visiting the Senedd or watching Senedd TV online. And they can influence these decisions by contacting any of the 5 Assembly members which represent them, by submitting petitions or by contributing to Assembly committee inquiries. You can find out more about how the National Assembly represents you and how you can get involved at www.assembly.wales.